A major milestone is getting closer in western North Carolina. 10 months after Hurricane Helene, many there are rebuilding homes the storm damaged or destroyed, and some people could soon be getting ready to move back in. Fox's Chelsea Torres is live in Swannanoa, North Carolina, just east of Asheville. Chelsea, how much longer will it be until people can start moving back into those homes behind you?
Christine, for some people, they'll be moving in just a few weeks. Homes like this one, I'm told, hopefully just a few months, and some are really just getting started. But one homeowner tells me he's staying hopeful during this rebuilding process.
For months, I just looked through 2x4s into dirt.
But elementary school teacher and landlord Vince Floriani says he's finally starting to see some progress.
And look at it now. It may not look like much to you, but it's on its way.
A disabled veteran and a refugee from Nicaragua were renting Floriani's home when Helene swept through western North Carolina last September.
John went out the front door and started swimming away, and then the woman on this side was banging on the window for help, and he came back to rescue her, but he got sucked back in the house.
Eventually, both of Floriani's tenants made it to the roof, and John, the disabled vet, jumped into the raging river to find help. Fortunately, both survived.
So he saved this woman's life, John Thompson. He's a hero. He would love to move back in, and hopefully we can get this back up and running so that he could maybe move back in.
Every day, in the heat and humidity, Floriani is hammering away alongside volunteers.
But Valley Hope Church has been able to do a little over 150 home repairs, and we have fully rebuilt 2 homes from the studs out and be able to move those families back in.
Valley Hope Church is just one of many volunteer groups working to get people back into their homes.
We have volunteers scheduled every single week right now, all the way up through September.
They just want to help, no questions asked, and that's really inspiring to me and profoundly, yeah, it's profound to me.
I just spoke to one neighbor who moved into his home nearly a month ago, and he said if it wasn't for the organization and the volunteers out here, this area, this neighborhood would not be where it is today. And the state is also doing what they can. They just opened up a rebuilding program. As of today, they have nearly 350 applicants, and they tell me that they're hoping to start construction later on this summer. Christine?
Yeah, it's just a long time coming for them to finally get back into their homes. Chelsea, thanks for covering it all.